What if one single command could hire an entire team for you? Not one AI helper, an actual team. A planner, builders, even a quality checker, all working at the same time in the background. Google just made this real, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the actual news. Antigravity, that's Google's AI coding tool, just dropped a new update called Agent Teams. With one single command, it spins up a dynamic team of specialized subagents. They coordinate in the background to plan, build, and verify complex tasks together. And here's the part that actually matters. They work in parallel. That means multiple agents are building different pieces of your project at the exact same time, instead of one agent slowly working through everything step by step. Now, let's back up for a second, because you need to understand what Antigravity actually is first. It's Google's agent first platform for building software. Instead of just suggesting code while you type, like a lot of the tools you've probably used before, it gives AI agents real autonomy to go off and complete entire tasks on their own. There's now a command line version too, which is the piece that plugs directly into a full workspace setup. So Antigravity is the engine underneath all of this, and Agent Teams is the new superpower sitting right on top of it. So what is Agent Teams actually doing differently? Until now, when you used a tool like this, you basically had one worker. A brilliant worker, sure, but still just one. Now, with a single command, that one worker turns into a hiring manager. It reads your task, figures out exactly which specialist the job actually needs, writes out what each one owns, and maps out how they hand work off to each other. Then it spins that whole team up for real, and they all start working at once. Think about it like running a business with a single employee. They're brilliant, sure, but they're still just one person. They plan the project, then build the first part, then the second part, then check it all one thing at a time in a straight line. Double the workload, and you double the weight. And who splits the work into pieces? Who writes the job description for each task? Who remembers to actually check the result before it ships out? You do. Every single project, every single time. That's what working with one AI agent has always felt like. The model's smart, sure, but the project management never stops being your job. Agent Teams breaks that entire cycle. And here's how it actually works. In 3 simple steps. Step 1, one command, you type it in and you describe what you want built. Step 2, one approval. The coordinator reads your task and drafts what's essentially a full team sheet, a plan showing exactly which specialists it wants to hire, what each one is responsible for, and how the handoffs between them work. You read it and you just say go. Step 3, parallel work, the team spins up for real. A planner designs the approach, builders work on different pieces simultaneously, and a verifier checks everything before it ever comes back to you. That verifier piece is honestly huge. With a solo agent, quality control only happens if you remember to specifically ask for it. With agent teams, checking the work is literally someone's whole job inside that team. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now here's the part that I think gets missed the most. You do not need to be technical to use this. I know multi-agent systems sound like something only developers would ever touch, but the entire point of this update is that the hard part gets automated for you. You type one command, you read a plan written in plain English, you say go, that's genuinely the whole skill requirement. If you can describe what you want built, you can run an agent team. It works for building apps, websites, games, tools, content systems, honestly, whatever you're working on at the moment. Now, yes, this is still technically a preview feature, so it's early and Google is still actively improving it. Some people would say that means you should sit back and wait. I'd actually say the opposite. The people who start building with this right now are going to be miles ahead. The people sitting around waiting for it to be perfect are going to spend the next few months playing catch up instead. So before you go try this yourself, here are a few things worth knowing. First, always read the team sheet before you approve it. It takes about 30 seconds and it's your one real chance to steer the entire build before anything gets made. If the coordinator hired the wrong specialist for the job, that's the moment to fix it, not after the whole thing's already built. Second, this runs on your local machine, so keep your computer awake while the team is actually working. If your machine goes to sleep partway through, so does your entire team. Third, if a team ever stalls out partway through a task, don't panic and don't start the whole thing over. Just tell it to continue and it picks up exactly where it left off. Fourth, start with a small, clear task for your very first run. Once you see how the coordinator actually thinks through a problem, you'll write much better, much more specific task descriptions when it comes time for the bigger builds. And fifth, save your team sheets. They're just marked down files, so you can reuse a good team structure again and again for similar projects down the line. And look, here's why I think this update matters more than most of the AI news you're going to see this month. For the last couple of years, using AI to build something has meant you doing all the project management yourself. You're the one breaking the big task into smaller pieces. You're the one deciding what order things happen in. You're the one remembering to double check the output before you ship it anywhere. Agent Teams is the first real sign that the project management part is starting to get automated too, not just the actual building. And once that piece gets solved properly, the entire ceiling on what one person can build by themselves gets pushed way, way higher. You're not just moving faster with a tool like this. You're running something that starts to feel a lot closer to an actual small team minus the payroll. And that shift from one AI helper to a coordinated team working in parallel, that's the kind of update that quietly changes what's actually possible for one person working alone. It's early, it's a preview, and it's going to keep improving. But the direction is obvious, and the people testing this today are the ones who are going to know exactly what to do with it the moment it's no longer a preview at all. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.